Even with a balanced diet, some pets require a little extra support to be at their best. Natural Science supplements from Oxbow Animal Health offer focused support across 8 categories of wellness. The supplements are formulated with high-quality Timothy hay and premium herbal ingredients that support specific health and wellness needs in small pets. Natural Science supplements are a part of the customizable Natural Science Nutrition Program, a program designed to meet the needs of pet owners seeking an individualized approach to their pet's health. By combining Natural Science fortified foods and focused supplements with unlimited fresh water and grass hay, pet parents can provide an all-natural, nutritionally balanced diet to maximize the health and well-being of their pet. For aging pets struggling with daily activities and needing overall body system support, we recommend Natural Science Senior Support. Active ingredients in Natural Science Senior Support include ginkgo biloba, ashwagandha root, ginger root, and milk thistle seed.